Hey, welcome back to another lesson of today, guys. So in today's video, we're gonna be talking about the minor scales. I know a lot of you have been asking how you can apply the minor scales into your improvisation, how you can solo over a chord progression, adding a minor scale. Okay, now this is what you need to understand. What is a minor scale? What are the notes that make up a minor scales? Okay, these are the things you need to understand as a beginner, as intermediate guitarist. Okay, so let's consider this. So now, if you are playing, let's say if you are playing major scale, which is the okay, so that is your E major scale. Okay, if you are playing your major scale, the mi, makes it the do, what makes it the major scale. So once you flat the mi to the re, to the mo, that gives you a minor scale there. That should be E minor scale. So if you play do mo, okay, if you play do re mo fa sol fa re do, okay, do si la so fa mo re, okay, that's the key of E. So the more there, okay, brings out that minor scale there. But that is not what we are really talking about here. Okay, we're going to consider the minor scales in scales like the blues scales, the harmonic minor scale, the melodic minor scales, and the rest. Okay, so we're going to be doing the lesson in the key of E. Okay, that is the minor scale. Sorry, that is the key of E. Okay, major scale. Okay. Okay, so at first, what is your blues scale? Your blues scales are the note that forms the 1, the 5 minor third, which is re or mo. That's do, mo, fa, fi, so, do, do. Okay. Okay, so these are scales that are considered the minor scales because of that flat third that is inside it. Okay, these are scales that are considered the minor scale. Number 1 are the blues scale. The number 2 are what we call the natural minor scale, which if you are playing from the key of let me say this is the key of E, do ti la so fa mi re do, or you can play do ti la so fa mi re. Now this is the key of E, okay, in the key of E. But if you start like this and play, okay, so now in the key of E, this will be la ti do re mi fa ti do. Okay, sorry, that would be zi la. Okay, la ti do re mi fa zi la. Instead of sa, you play zi la. Okay, so but in the key of this root here, which is la in the key of E, this could be this is C sharp. Okay, this is a C sharp. Okay, so we're gonna play in the C sharp. You're gonna be do re mo fa sol Z, okay, then T do, okay, T do re mo fa so Z, T do, okay, in the key of C sharp. Okay, this is the root. So this is applicable to all the keys you might find yourself. Okay, now this is what happened. If you play, if you are in the key of E, maybe you're playing a chord progression like or you're playing chord progression like mi re la, mi re. Or maybe you're playing a jazzy kind of jazzy sound. You can apply scales like that. Now, after stopping the scale here, you can still continue it on the other octave, okay, like horizontal pattern, because you started. So you can still start up here again, like horizontal, like this backward, okay. The same way, the same note. This will be la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, si, la. Okay. Okay, so that is it. Remember, you have to learn your major scale very well. Practice your major scale very well. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Okay, practice your major scale very well. Then look for a progression like I just played. Maybe the mi, re, because you're gonna play. You're gonna play scales like that. You have to solo it over a minor chord. Them. Okay, that's why I play the re, the mi, and the re. You can play it on other shape. Re, la. After playing on this shape, this is the key of E. You can still have it here on this other shape as well. La, ti, do, re, mi, fa, mi, la. Okay, so this is the one of the minor scale you can apply in your playing. Sound better. You know, I don't want to teach it in a kind of a theoretical aspect. I just want to make it more practical, because if it's these white guys, that is how they will likely teach you on how to understand that. Okay, if this white guy, they would like to tell you that you are playing over a C sharp minor, melodic minor, okay, but I don't want to make it that way. I just want to make it very straight and for you to understand, so that if you find yourself in other keys, you can also know how to apply them. Okay, all right. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can apply your blues scales and other minor scales to sounds more better. Okay, all right, see you in the next video. Bye.